Mr. Hunter.
Sir. Yes, sir.
My tablet's only at 14.
Okay. We don't have much time left in class. You'll make it. You'll make it. Okay. So we're at 267 and 268. Everybody got that?
Yes.
I'm just gonna go over the directions with you real quick so you guys know what to do. It says a common noun and a proper noun. We know a common noun is something like a name, like a person, place, or a thing. A common noun is a person, place, or thing. So if I say a girl, a boy, a school, a house, those are what we call common nouns. But if instead of saying boy, I say Solomon. Instead of saying boy, I say Michael. If instead of saying girl, I say Mackenzie. If instead of saying school, I say Redeemer, those are called proper nouns. So what you're going to do in number 1, it says write 2 proper nouns. Everybody say 2?
2.
Write 2 proper nouns for each group. Remember the capital letters. So you're going to name 2 cities that are proper nouns. So you can name the city you live in. Then for people, you can name 2 people, proper nouns. For months, you can name proper months. You can even put the month that you're born in. But remember, it has to be capitalized. And then for days of the week, you know what it is. Ada, question real quick.
Like if we're gonna do our city, do you put LA or Los Angeles?
You could put either one, but you can put, if you want to spell out Los Angeles, you could put Los Angeles. All right. On the bottom, real quick, because I got to go back to first grade. Real quick, it says make the singular nouns. So you see country. Make the singular nouns plural nouns. So you see country. What is more than one country?
Countries.
Mackenzie, excellent job. Everybody give Mackenzie a round of applause, please. Round of applause.
But you don't put ES at the end. You put I. You change the Y to an I and add ES.
Yeah, you change the Y to the I and the ES. Family. Family was more than one family. Families. Then
Families.
At the bottom,
IES.
it says write an imperative sentence. On the back, flip your page over real quick. Flip your page over real quick. All right. It says use the color key to color the picture and finish coloring the picture. So you have to look at the colors. You can use the green for the long O sound. For the long A sound, use purple. And for the I sound, the short O, short A is green and purple. The long I sound is a yellow. Everybody got it?
Blue.
Mm-hmm.
Or whatever. Yeah, whatever. I'm sorry. What's your color say? Blue. I apologize. All right. Everybody got it?
Yep.
Really, really simple. I'm going to leave you on unmute. You guys have fun with that. I'll be back in a couple minutes, but I'm going to help first grade because they're needing a lot of help today on math. So I'm going to be back.
Bye, Mr. Hunter.
Bye.
Right, 2 proper
Come on,
nouns.
man.
Yes.
I need help with the Dylan's not even helping.
No. I'm muting all of you. This has gotten out of control. There's too much whining today from all 3 of you. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. Stop blurting out. Stop the whining. Everybody give me a thumbs up. Thank you. You guys are too grown for this. You gotta stop that. Too much blurting out, too much whining. Jeremiah, question.
I need help with doing all three of the patterns with the 4th clocks.
With the 4 clocks. All right, the first clock, you're counting by 2. So the first clock, the time is what? It's a big hand on the 12 and a little hand on the 2. It's 2
o'clock.
Okay, we'll look at the little hand on the next clock. What time is that?
4 o'clock.
What are they doing? They're counting by... They're counting by...
2.
Thank you, sir. So if you had 6 o'clock, what's the next one?
7. 8 o'clock.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Eliana, question.
I told Jeremiah to count by 2s too. And can you help me?
the second row and the last row?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. So here we go. Here we go. The second row, it says 9:30. The next one, there's a little hand on in between the 10. So what's that going to be? That's going to be,
Counting by.
that's 10. So we have 9:30, then we have 10:30, then we have 11:30. Then what's the next one going to be?
12:30.
Jeremiah, is that what you're going to say? What were you going to say, Jeremiah?
I need help with the second pattern.
That's what we were just doing, Jeremiah. You have to listen.
It was 10:30, 11:30.
Guys. We're having a real problem. We have to listen. You are in first grade. You're about to go to second grade. We cannot waste time repeating. I'm not going to be hard on you, but I'm going to be very, very upset if we're not listening. We got it? You're doing good. You're doing good, but you got to stay listen. All right, here we go. Here we go. So we just did 9:30, Jeremiah. Then we did 10:30. Then we had 11:30. What's after 11:30, sir?
But there's no 11 counting by twos.
We're not doing by twos in the second pattern. It's a different pattern. That's why you have to listen. 9:30, 10:30, 11:30. The first pattern. The second pattern is 9:30, 10:30, 11:30. What?
12:30.
Now I'm really mixed up. I don't get it.
So, Jeremiah, so on each row, it's different counting by. So you see the line under all of them? That's one under, and then you see the first clock under. It's going to be a different pattern, and then you have to follow the different patterns that Mr. Hunter says, because me and you don't know the pattern.
So the first pattern, Jeremiah, was counting by twos. This pattern is counting by ones.
So it would be, so first it's 9:30, then it's 10:30, then it's 11:30, and
12.
now it's 13.
It's 12. That's 12 is after 11. 12 is after 11. Thank you.
Number that I have to do.
So it would be 12:30.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now the last clock.
Now the last one is counting by fives. It says 105, 110, 115, and then what's after 115?
120.
120. 120. We're counting by.
How do you write?
Where is it?
Oh,
What's the? Thank
never
you.
mind.
Thank you.
Okay, can you help me with the difference now?
The difference is we know how to do that. It's just subtracting. It's just subtracting.
I know. Difference is subtracting and this box.
All right, we gotta hurry up because we're behind. We're behind.
Oh yeah, we are 11:35.
We're very behind.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get into it. So,
All right.
12 minus 2 is. Wait, can you just screen share?
12 minus what is what did you say? 12 minus 2.
Wait, I don't think I have my reading. Hold on.
You guys are gonna do your reading later. We're gonna do our language worksheets. We're gonna do our language.
Okay.
Language.
I'm trying to find my language. I'm
Wait,
gonna try
can we
to
do
find my
the end?
language.
You can do that at the end, Eliana. I'll help you.
So we get the language now?
Get your language worksheet. Get your Dylan, you got your language?
What are the language numbers?
Your language worksheet?
66.
Yes, yes. 56. 56.
66.
I'm sorry, yeah, 66.
This page.
66.
This.
Yes, that's the one. That's the one.
60.